Well, hello everyone, it's James here. A quick follow-up on natural gas since yesterday's video. I'm going to put the link to the live stream which I held last night right up above you right now. I'm not sure which side, but just above you. You'll see the link to that. Please watch that, because in that video I do a lot more detail on natural gas. But let's have a look at what's going on today. So we rolled over into Monday with about a 10-cent gap up. That's this candle here. You can see on it's represented as a candle at FXCM. It's actually a gap up. And then we moved down from the top of the gap and just slumped down a little bit. Now, as I said, everything's pretty bearish. Now, there are some that said maybe the weather forecast has changed. Things are looking a bit better from the 16th onwards. But that's, a few days' time, and weather can change. The way this chart looks and the way the COT report looks, and I once again encourage you to watch the video from yesterday, the live stream, which I'll link at the end, and also had linked before. The COT report's negative, bearish. All the positioning seems to be bearish. The weather seems to be bearish, at least until the 16th or so. The chart's bearish. It's moving down. It's unidirectional. We've got almost to the bottom of the contract. So my contention is that until otherwise proven, we must accept that this is moving down. And we reach the blob at the bottom of this yellow channel, which I spoke about in yesterday's video. Once again, make sure you go and watch that. It's a parallel channel to this previous channel. There's no time to describe why I redrew it underneath, but just suffice to say it's a memory from a distant past for about 2 years ago. And we're now at the bottom of that channel and at a key level, but we're below several things like the 786 market structure breaks, all the moving averages, and we're moving down quite rapidly. There's a blue trend line down here and an order block, which I think we may have to test. It's a previous significant swing low and swing high, and that's just below $3, actually about 288. We could get as low as that. And if I zoom in, actually just quickly into the 4-hour chart here, let's just have a look at how close we are to that channel bottom. We did tag it right there. So we've actually tagged the channel bottom already. So that hadn't occurred last night. We've done that now. Let's see if we can hold here. I'm still hedged. I haven't readjusted my position. I want to see what happens today over the next few hours. And so far, it doesn't look strong, I have to admit. But there's all sorts of background to this, including the general bid under natural gas going to the future, demand for energy. Natural gas is a very key part of that. So my contention is that we're trading probably in a new range between roughly $3 and $5, but we may exceed that range from time to time. We've exceeded on the top side a little bit. We may exceed the $3 level on the downside. That could mean 280s, maybe even 260s. I hope that was useful. Check the link at the end, watch that entire video, at least the natural gas portion, and I'll see you soon.
Trick the day away. Trick the day away. Yeah. Charts light up, green and red confetti. Fingers twitchy, palms all sweaty. Pound signs flash, ticker tape steady. Portfolio fat, but the stress ain't petty. City boys graph while the coffee still bitter. Screens glow brighter than the Thames in glitter. Click, clack, buy, sell, numbers get bigger. Risk it all, mate.